Laundry. Your clothes are really dirty. Your clothes smell bad. Put your dirty clothes from today into the basket. Please leave your clothes in the laundry. Take your clothes basket to the laundry. Bring your laundry basket downstairs, please. Put your dirty laundry in the hamper. Put your dirty clothes in the washing machine. I'm doing the washing today if you want me to wash anything of yours. Have you separated your clothes? Keep your white clothes apart from the rest. In the next wash, I'll do the sheets. Don't forget to clean the lint trap. Clean the lint filter and put it back in place. Sprinkle in some washing powder. Put the detergent in that compartment. Use 1/4 cup for each load of laundry. Use that all-purpose laundry detergent. Add the detergent to the dispenser before starting the wash. Add the correct amount of laundry detergent. Your shirt has a stain on it. Remember to add that stain remover. Rub a bit of laundry detergent on the stain. Add some fabric stain remover. Add some fabric softener. Give it a good soak in some water. You can only use cold water with these items. You can use warm water with these items. You can't wash these clothes with hot water. You have to wash this by hand. Change the water temperature. Load the washer. Do not cram the washer too full. Put the clothes in the dryer. There are some clothes in the hamper in the laundry room. I'll just put this laundry in the washer before we go out. The washing cycle has finished. Take the wet clothes from the washer and put them in the dryer. Please hang out the laundry. Hang the clothes outside to dry. Hang them up outside to dry in the sun and the wind. Hang them on the clothesline outside. You can't put those clothes in the dryer. Put those clothes in the dryer. Place the clothes in the dryer. Do the laundry and hang it out to dry. Take the clothes out of the dryer and put them in the basket. I'm missing a sock. I'm sure I put 2 socks in, but only one came out. I put the clean laundry on your bed. Can you fold the clothes, please? Fold these and put them away. You have to put your clothes away. Remember to fold the towels correctly. It isn't easy to fold fitted sheets. I'm folding the laundry. Turn the clothes inside out. I'm ironing my shirts. Hang the shirts in your closet. Did you do the laundry today? I've already done 3 loads of laundry this morning. I have to finish the laundry. There's still a lot of laundry in the basket. There's not much laundry this week. Were you able to remove the tough stains? We have to take the washing to the laundromat. A question for you. Who does the laundry in your home? Let us know in the comments.